Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Biscoff cheesecake. I've got to tell you something, I've tasted good cakes before, I know what a good cake is, but this one is one of those really good cakes. The great flavor comes from this Biscoff. It's the cookie butter spread and it tastes exactly like those cookies. You can find them in any Trader Joe's here in the US, at world markets, even Walmart has it. For all the ingredients for this recipe, make sure you check out the description box below this video. So this is what you need for this recipe. The Biscoff cookie butter, some vanilla extract, heavy cream, the Biscoff cookies, some butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. And I'll show you what we do next. So I put the cookies inside the food processor and we need to crumble them. Now I'm adding the butter. And we're going to mix again. Now we're putting this mixture in this baking tin. And I'm going to use a spoon just to make sure that I press it really good on the bottom of this springform tin. Now I'm going to put it on the side and I'll work on the cream mixture. Now we're going to go ahead and mix the cream cheese. Add the powdered sugar and the vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add the Biscoff butter. And now I'm adding the heavy cream. You can mix this separate, but I like to do it like this. Now I got the spring form here with the cookie crumbles. It was setting on the side. So now we're gonna put this cream cheese mixture. Now we're gonna spread this evenly. You wanna make sure that you get the sides really good. And now it needs to go in the fridge and it needs to stay for about at least 3 hours. But let me tell you, it is worth the wait. You will absolutely love this cheesecake. So here is the cake. I took it out of the fridge. It stayed in the fridge for 3 hours. So now I'm gonna decorate it. And this is optional. You can eat it like this if you want. So what I did, I melted some of the Biscoff. So I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then it should have this consistency. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead with the spoon, starting on the sides. I'm just gonna go like this. Now I want to go ahead a little bit on the side so it drizzles. I want it to drizzle a little bit down. Now I'm gonna grab some of these crumbles I did earlier. I saved some. So I'm gonna put some on the side. Just gonna go around like this. I only put the Biscoff melted only on the side. You can put it in the middle too if you want. I think I'm gonna top mine with some fresh berries. I'm gonna put some like this. Now I'm thinking to put some of these cookies like this. This is optional, just to make it look pretty. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit more of this melted Biscoff just around like this. And this should be it. And this is how the cheesecake looks. And I'm telling you, this is so delicious. Once you have this, you will never want to have a different cheesecake than Biscoff cheesecake. And I hope you'll enjoy this cake and leave me some comments, how you like it if you make it, send me some pictures. And now what I want to do is put it back in the fridge at least for another hour before you cut into it. So thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time for a new recipe. Bye-bye.